Okay, so this exercise is not too hard. Being able to switch your subdivisions is really what we're working on. So we're going to be playing an A major scale, playing with our metronome. I've got mine set to 75. You might want to go slower. We're going to play one measure going up the scale, and then we're going to play one measure going down the scale. You always come down from a step above where you ended. So I ended here, I come down from a step above that, and we're going to play that in quarter notes twice, eighth notes twice, triplets twice, 16th notes twice, and then we're going to go back down the way we came. 1, 2, quarter notes, here we go. 1, 2, 3, up, then down. Now we're going to go to eighth notes twice as fast. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now we're going to triplets. 1 tita, 2 tita, 3 tita, 4 tita, 1 tita, 2 tita, 3 tita, 4 tita. Now we're going to 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a... Back down to triplets. Triplet, 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 triplet. Back down to eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And then back down to quarter notes. 1, 2, 3,